Kana with Reusip. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install one of our reusable and lockable dust barrier zippers. Start with the mounting strip refill. Remove the release paper from the mounting strip.
Firmly press the adhesive side to your barrier to attach it.
You can use the cut guide, cut down the center. Next, you're going to grab your Reusable dust barrier zipper, unroll it, fold the zipper in half, and guide it down one side. You'll unzip the opposite side and come down, pinching the two layers together for proper adhesion. And now you've installed your dust barrier zipper. By using a zip tie or a cable lock, you can secure your zipper. Utilize the built-in grommet. Take your cable, stick it through the zipper head, and then through the grommet, and you can lock it. Secure it further by piercing through the grommet and securing it to the plastic. That's two methods for securing your dust barrier zipper: deter unwanted entry, prevent clients from going in and turning off your drying fans, and greater protection against liability. Now that you're done with your job, you can easily remove the zipper. Roll it up from the bottom. And then use the fastener tabs here to secure it.